If you're a student or beginner trying to understand IT, information systems, or programming without the confusing jargon, welcome to LD Tech Lab. Make sure to subscribe, and let's break this topic down step by step.
If I were a student again in 2026, I wouldn't start with fancy tools, AI prompts, or trendy languages. I'd start by learning how to think like a programmer. I'm Sir LD. I've taught programming to beginners for years, from zero knowledge to building real systems. And I've seen the same mistakes over and over again. Learning programming today isn't hard because there's no information. It's hard because there's too much. Too many tools, too many frameworks, too many shortcuts. Here's the framework I'd follow if I was starting again. First, I'd master the fundamentals, logic, variables, conditions, loops, and problem solving. Frameworks can wait. Second, I'd choose one beginner-friendly language and stick with it. Consistency matters more than language choice. Third, I'd build small projects early. Not big systems. Simple programs that solve one clear problem. Fourth, I'd use AI the right way. Not to copy answers, but to understand why my code works, or fails. Finally, I'd document what I learn. Writing, explaining, and teaching forces real understanding. Programming is not about being naturally smart. It's about showing up, struggling, and improving a little every day. If you're serious about learning programming, I explain this framework in full detail in my long-form video. Watch the full video to learn how to avoid beginner traps and build real programming skills. And comment below. Are you a beginner or returning learner, and what are you struggling with right now?
If this video helped you understand the topic better, please like, subscribe to LD Tech Lab, and comment below what you want to learn next. Your questions help shape future lessons.